through the years, sir, di ba? Di namin revised penal code tayo that was enacted in 1930 and it was effective 1932. So, kas JT ka daan na DJ lintag tayo. But then again, nukit kita umot dagiti provision na they are still applicable up to this day. No, kita dagiti elemento iti mesang krimen hambang nga nagbaliw all through the years. Kaya lang ti makita tayo nga masapol nga mamyandaran nga agad just through times ket digitay makon ko ng penalties to be imposed kasi like for example kuma digiti fines nga ti fines ti may isang krimen idikwa ket di revised penal code 40 pesos kung kunana. So although in all through the years recently adadeti makungkuna nga revision nan kasi nag-adjust mo from 200 pesos naging 40,000. Okay, from the J Sumaruno is 40,000 to 1.2 million and 1.2 million above. So nag-adjust the naganan fines to be imposed. So makita tayo nga importante digijay kasi umuna syempre no it will still if we retain the previous nga adjay revised penal code basit launay. So no panunutom kas lang nakalaklakalag ten commit iti may nga krimen no kasi lang iti penalty to be imposed. So jaka mo no I have yet to see a copy of the proposed revision kadeti revised penal code tayo kasi no kitaan tayo met kung nakarod no when you talk about revised penal code di ngamin adjay nga krimen are actually generally speaking inherently evil. So when you say inherently evil since the beginning talaga nga dakesan like for example ko no theft no pinagtatakaw. Okay, so ti pinagtakaw idi kinita nagduma kasi like for example the elemento na ti pinagtakaw kumaket unlawful taking of a private of a personal property from another person. So ape itata kasi nagduma ka di katahan mo, di ba? Ilang nagdumaan na DJ modes of performing DJ or committing a crime. So anyway, itatangamin adamo dagiti new laws that were created nga in addition to our existing revised penal code. So kung nakarugkat although I really appreciate nga dagiti ganwat nga to change or to revise some of its provisions but then again kung nakarod nga when dito namin revised penal code tayo siraya. Di ba it has been there since 1932 up to present. Ket no mat adawat dagiti proposed nga changes nga kayat da nga ramiden they can always make another law nga handamot suksok. There is no need for them to change the existing law. Still lang mabalindang amyandaran babaan iti panang sukat ti some of its provisions. Isong nga like for example kuma DJ may panggap iti penalty to be imposed. So they adjusted it through times. But then again, no revised penal code, no shakti damagan nyo, I'd rather of nga to keep the existing revised penal code so nadalang kuma dagiti provision nga kayat da nga sukatan DJ lata ti sukatan dan ngem no kayat da nga entirely nga sukatan DJ revised penal code tilang makikita mga benepisyo na is that we are only referring to one law kuma kaya ti siguro kaya DJ ti gold damot nga para kanya ka ti makikita may isa nga lintag ti basbasaan tayo hanga kas na itata nga we have the revised penal code and then eventually at the sukatan da nga provision na ag-create dati baro nga lintag tapno lang to revise that particular section or article of that revised penal code. So DJ lang ti makita kasi it may be what they see there is it cause confusion. Kasi medyo adungamin ti pagreferam no ko nga lintag aside from the revised penal code. DJ lang ti nagdumana. So ti kasama DJ ko another changes would be the DJ naganan criminal liability, age of criminal liability. Ngamin dati, revised penal code, ti bagbagana when you talk about criminal liability, 9 years old below laeng iti exempted from criminal liability. So absolute di jay. No 9 years old below ka, you are exempted from criminal liability. So from more than 9 years old to 15 would be your determination of your discernment, di ba? Dati discernment tayo or no tay ba aramid mo at ti adda usto nga panunot mo idi naramid mo ti maysang krimen. So but then again it was amended through Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act. So juvenile justice in-increase na the age of criminal liability. So ti tatangaminan sir ti age of criminal liability 15 years old below exempted ka from criminal liability. But from age 15 to 18 there is the determination of discernment. So no take may isang nga krimen no with discernment or without discernment. No you are determined nga with discernment so the case will push through at after the reaching the age of majority. No 15 to 18 ka without discernment so you will be undergoing diversion program through the DSWD intervention yan and yun nga yung criminal liability mo will you are exempted from criminal liability. So but then again yung punto natin dyan when you talk about criminal liability when you talk about crime kunak kuma I mean krimen duwati liabilities involved. So we have criminal and civil liability. So i-clarify tayo kadagiti dungdingeg kasi nung amin makangagda iti krimen nga napasamak which involve a child nga age 15 years old below or age 18 years old below without discernment dagos nga ti panunutan dagiti like for example common mistakes kasi deto iti law enforcers tayo nga ti panunutan daket awan kaso na kasi there's no crime to speak of because the person involved is exempted from criminal liability. Tingamin ko na natilintag. When you are exempted from criminal liability, sir, I mean, nature ti crime is kunana di Article 100 of the Revised Penal Code. Every person criminally liable is civilly liable. So no maawan di criminal liability, it means you still have civil liability. So adda nga rod ito may isang anak idi case aya sir nga estudyante kasi adda kano may isang ubing ubing na was raped by a 14-year-old na member ng LGBT. So kuna na ngamin ay seek the assistance of the barangay and as well as yung nearest police station. Si Jingarod lugar dagat that was somewhere in Cagayan. Hindi kuna na ma-frustrate at they did not give utmost consideration to di kuma treatment kano kanya nagaputa ti sungbat da kano awang kano iti liability na lata di 14 years old kuna when you talk about crime it does not only pertain to a criminal liability adamo makungkunang civil liability so mabalin nga mabalod kasi that offender a 14-year-old member of the LGBT is exempted from criminal liability. But then again, when you talk about crime, there are two liabilities. Meron tayong criminal liability and civil liability. So kung you seek the assistance of the nearest PAO office para magpasis ka doon, para you can seek as well civil liability. So moving forward, kunak nga rod nga that DJ nga ubing 14-year-old, the parents are required to pay was required to pay damages to that child. So at least kahit paano meron pa ring remedy under the law. So yun lang yung ang gusto ko lang doon siguro is moving forward doon sa proposed revision would be ibalik siguro yung dating age of criminal liability kasi masyadong mataas considering na yung mga 15 to 18 years old are already have the right mind to decide on matters that they are doing. Amo dati
Aha.
determine iti what is right or wrong.
Okay. So diyan lang, attorney. At para kanya, ito opinion, ha? Mas may subliti dating tawen, itinasgan nga makaswanen from 9 years old to below, di exempted. But kadito naghit 15 years old to anan. Okay, attorney, how about kayo iti TEP can qualified TEP? Kasi mesa dito ni nagdiskusyon na iti biyang ti Department of Justice nga muna masansan iti mas masa mo rin iti sorry iti krimen ket minor. So para kada kayo attorney, iti TEP can qualified TEP, which is a qualified TEP baka mo ket non-bailable. Nadya kamali, attorney.
Okay, so when you talk about qualified theft, di nga may nayon nga qualified nga word would change the very nature of a crime. So from simple like for example simple theft ngamin di syempre lesser penalty to be imposed. No ngamin qualified theft na dagdagsen. Di ti magdumaan da sir ya. When you talk about qualified, ano ngamin what makes a theft qualified? So unang-una dyan would the presence of what we call yung qualifying circumstance like abuse of confidence, di ba sir? At ang amin abuse of confidence. Kasi ako siyak kumaya. So, simple theft ko naman siya. Nagtakawak iti personal, okay? Personal property. Han nga ti we emphasize the word personal kasi that would distinguish with another crime no real property takawom. So sa bali di when you talk about personal property, digiti that can be an object that is subject for I mean diti kuma utility. So mabalin nga you can bring from one place to another. So no nagtakaw ti cellphone, ti sakto bang nagtakaw iti cellphone. So that would constitute theft. Yung no, nagtakaw ti cellphone, di mismo nga glako iti cellphone, that would be qualified theft. So there is the presence of this word qualified kasi there is what we call abuse of confidence. Kasi sikat nakaitalkan ti panakglako ka din ng cellphone, but then again sikat ng takaw ti bukod mo nga lako. Okay, so it is imbued of there is imbued confidence on you. Ngem sikapay mo't nga ro nga nagtalkan dahil sukat nagtakaw. So that would constitute the crime to be qualified. Iso nga nadagdagsen iti panusa na. So di man lang ti difference between these two. And of course, qualified qualified theft data. Would the meaning the effect would be you will receive a higher penalty.
Okay.
DJT
So,
namin sir.
okay, attorney.
Tsak pa kami nakita sir, I have yet to see no anamot ti kayat da nga sukatan on those particular provisions of the revised penal code. Ngem no kitakket I think there is no need to change it anymore. Kasi dumot kasi those are just basic principles in criminal law, very basic mat nga it cannot be changed through time. Hanga gaputa sa bali nga panahon itan there is now the advent of technology. Then again, adamat dagiti nang supusop nga linteg nga kadijay existing nga revised penal code tayo. So kas pagarigan ko iti libel, di ba sir? Libelous statements. Kati definition na malicious imputation. And di ba the malicious te panang dangram te reputasyon ti sabali. So uray mat itata only the manner of doing it which will differ kasi at nga rod presence sa tatanti sa ti social media. Okay, so nagkaroon tayo ngayon ng cyber libel. So ti punto tayo awahan ba na capture DJ concern tayo nga what if the crime is committed via social media. Aanmat kasi nga rod anti-cyber libel law tayo. So, ngam siguro no ti goal is to come up with a new revision kasi unang-una para hindi magulo kasi nagadungarot ti amendments nga nang napastamakan ka di existing law tayo nga makatikawan on the part of the people makatikaw. So i-unite dalanganan is revise da jibuo nag-come up da iti may sa nga may sala pagrepreparant ti tao at napintas kaya lang as long as they will not be able to miss some parts of the existing law, awa mo ti issue na no kas pagarigan plano da nga sukatan.
Okay, okay. Attorney, may sa paigit-igit na malulawagan, adat nagdumana yung civil case, kini criminal case, attorney.
Okay, when you talk about civil case, so nung kami civil case ko na there is ti umuna nga ilawlawagan tayo dita. When you talk about civil case, digitay ti penalty to be ay ti anana deta goal mo to is to enforce your right. I-enforce mo ti kalintagam. DJ ti pinaka goal mo. Nung amin DJ criminal law, ayan no crime ko nam ko mang no, criminal case dito nga kat violation of the right of of a particular person. Okay nga the ending now would be you will be criminally liable. Okay, no criminally liable ko nam you might be imprisoned and at the same time you will be civilly liable. Duwa nga ti liability no crimen, no crime. I mean, no, when crime ngamin, it will result into criminal liability, imprisonment yan. And civil liability as well. No ngamin civil case, ilang sungsong batam dito would be damages. Diba? Digiti ipasublim. Kasi adang aming kalintagan ti may isang tao, ti may panggap, iti may isang banag. Okay, like for example ko, panagtagikwa iti daga. Okay, no, kung magtagikwa ka daga, ket inagaw da di daga kas pagarigan ko ada pagriririan nyo may panggap iti daga. So ti goal mo lang ijay hamo may pabalod di tao nga ada issue yo iti panagtagi ko iti daga. Tila goal mo ijay would be mai subli di daga because you are the right person. Okay, so sikat ti aking kukwa day tanga daga. Okay, so ti evidence required would be preponderance of evidence. No sino deti na dagdagsen iti ebidensya na. So for example, ni kuma iba no kumati dagaket there are ways of proving your ownership over a land. So mabalin nga possession or through possession of that property or through di kuma panagikot mo iti may isang titulo. So tilang kitan ti korte dita no sinot ni nagdagsen iti ebidensya na nga aking kukwa deta nga daga. So that is civil case. So when you talk about criminal case, there is a criminal offense that you made. Okay, there is a violation of the right of a particular individual. Okay, na that has to be redressed. Okay, that wrong act has to be redressed. May i-correctar. Okay, so ti sungsong batam tata dito would be your civil criminal liability and civil liability. So when you talk about criminal liability, imprisonment yan. So every crime, yung corresponding penalty to be imposed would be imprisonment. And ko nakarod nga nabanggit ko itay, every person criminally liable is civilly liable. So bayad ka pa eh. Okay, no DJ danyos nga naaramid mo ka DJ nga tao bayad ka pa. So nadagdagsan iti sungsong batam iti linteg when you talk about criminal liability. Okay, inayo mo pa no si kaket agubra ti gobyerno kas pagarigan ko sika law enforcer ka. So in the performance of your duty there is neglect. Okay, so or there is an abuse to speak of. Inayon mo bita threefold rule. It would be you also include administrative liability. Mabaling iso pa iti pakaikitab iti trabaho. Okay, so that would of course that would constitute criminal offense, criminal liability, civil liability, and if you are working in the government, okay, that you include their administrative liability. No civil case, ila sungsong batam dita would be your monetary obligation. Okay, or the return of something that you do not have that right.
Okay. Okay, attorney, maraming salamat. Kaditi oras, kaditi pinagpay mo opinion, pasek na pala iti panaka-revise, kaditi lintag, nga nabayagan since pa 1932, ay iti pagilian nga Pilipinas. Maraming salamat.